Got the cold shoulder from the girls in the city. Couple heat waves in a room full of busy.
Hey, it's Kalei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's going to be a hair tutorial. This will actually be a two-part video. I'm going to show you step by step how I get my hair blow dried, straightened, and then I'm going to show you how I style it using some hair curling irons and the products that I use. I'm very picky about a lot of the products that I use. These are like things that I use all the time and I rebuy. I have been venturing out more on trying new hair products, so if you have a hair product and you have similar hair, I would love to know what your favorites are, so comment down below. Also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Well, let's go ahead and get started. So before I jump into the styling part, I'm going to show you guys what I use to shampoo and condition. I bought the Redken All Soft shampoo and conditioner. I wanted to try this out. I have tried a lot of other Redken hair products and so far so good. So that's what I did just now. About once a week, I do like to use the Matrix Total Results Brass Off shampoo. This is a blue shampoo because my hair is color treated and it tends to turn orange. To fix that, one of my friends on YouTube and on Instagram recommended that I try the hair mask. So Ulta had a sale. I went ahead and I got the shampoo and the conditioner. I'm actually out of the conditioner now. I have a little bit of shampoo left, but I have the hair mask. So I like to use that maybe once or twice a week, depending on how orange it is. Right now it's good. It's still wet, so you can't really see much about it. I did put it in a towel and then I took it out. I typically like to let my hair kind of air dry partially before I go in with a blow dryer, unless I'm in a hurry. If I am going to do a hair mask, I like to use the Kerastase Discipline. It just makes my hair nice and soft. I'm actually pretty much done with it. But I use this about maybe 3 or 4 times a month on a weekend if I'm not doing anything. I like to use this. This is the cleansing conditioner, and this has pro keratin and elastin in it, and it has no silicones and all of that stuff. So if my hair is in a good place and I don't really want to go in with shampoo and conditioner and I just want like something really nice, say I work out, I've really washed my hair but I just need to touch up, I would like to go in with this. It's kind of gross because it was in the shower, but I like Kerastase products, I really like Redken products, and I like Matrix products. There are other products that I like to use, but so far those are in my rotation right now, and that's what I'm using on my hair. So my hair, it's a mix. It's wavy and curly together. So the front is a little more straight. The middle is more thick and wavy. That's that Polynesian hair. And then the back is more curly. And if you have my type of hair, you already know how it is styling this hair. It's not easy. It does not dry the way it looks when it's wet. I always get comments on my YouTube channel talking about my hair and why I do the things that I do to make it wavy or curly, and that's because it dries frizzy. It does not keep a pattern. It dries like this. This is how it dries. It's poofy, it's wavy, there's no pattern to it, so it needs product, and sometimes I have to do like my whole overnight braid out type of thing. I have a full tutorial on that as well. So I just want to put that out there because I know a lot of people who don't have this type of hair would like, you already have this, why would you do that? That's why it does not dry that way. It's a mixture, so I have to do a lot of things to style it, and that's one of the reasons why I don't really do a lot of hair tutorials on my channel, because my hair has been my biggest nemesis all my life. I'm finally starting to enjoy it. This is what it looks like when it's still damp. It is not even dry, but it's to the point to where I can take a blow dryer to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. The blow dryer I'm using right now is the T3 blow dryer. I have a GHD blow dryer, I have a Numi blow dryer, I have a lot of blow dryers. This is the blow dryer that I've been rocking for the last few years. I also have a round brush. So I just use a small one. I don't use anything too big because I don't want too much volume in my hair. The bigger the brush, I assume the more volume. So I keep it like pretty small. I also use a wet brush. You're technically not supposed to comb your hair when it's wet, but I have to semi while it's damp before I blow dry, because otherwise my hair will not dry. It holds a lot of water. The stylist confirmed that, especially in this area. So it takes a little bit longer to blow dry. I also use the IGK No More Blow High Speed Air Dry Spray. This is a really good spray if I'm in a hurry, like today. So I will be using it today, but I don't use it all over my hair. I only use it in the areas where it holds a lot of water so I can blow dry very quickly. This does have alcohol in it, so I don't like to use it too much. And then I use a heat protectant. This is from Mizani. This is the Thermosmooth Sleek Guard. And it has coconut, olive, and sweet almond oils. And my stylist used this on my hair and it has been amazing. So I will be using whatever is left in this on my hair today. I usually part my hair in 3 sections. So I'll do like one full one in the back, part that in the middle, and then do the 2 tops. The tops dry faster than the back. So let's jump right in because this is gonna take a while.
I'm skipping a stone, it's waiting on me. Take it to the water. Take it to the water.
You want to blow dry down. I've been told that it seals the cuticle and it keeps the hair from being frizzy, so that's what I do.
From the girls in the city, couple heat waves in a room full of busy.
Next thing I do for my hair, if I'm just gonna do a blowout, I will usually take some type of oil. I just purchased this again from Target. This is from OGX. It's called the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco, and I love the coconut one and I love this one. Again, if I am just gonna do a quick blowout for the day, I'll usually put the oil on my hair and then I'll blow dry again. And it gives me that blowout, like a smooth, sleek blowout. It smells so good. It makes my hair smell so good.
You can find it under the concrete. Take me to the water. Yeah, I'm coming home. I need some relief. Take me to the water. I'm skipping a stone.
So I've been through many straighteners. I'm using the GHD Platinum. If I don't want to use a straightener, I will go in and use this guy. This is my Steam Pro Flat Iron, and this just uses hot steam to straighten the hair. But I'm gonna do the GHD. This one is really good because it stays, I believe, on 350. It's continuous 350, so it's easier on the hair. But you do have to use small sections. Now I want to mention that I don't always flat iron and then go in and curl my hair on the same day. I'm doing it for video purposes because I don't have time to do it any other time. I usually flat iron and then straighten and then leave it, and then maybe tomorrow or the day after that I'll go ahead and curl it. I do like to go in with the IGK Good Behavior Protein Smoothing Spray. This also has a 450 heat protection, so it's like a little extra protection, and I just go through the hair, and this just makes my hair lay down a little bit flatter. And again, like a tiny piece. For me, that's tiny. And I'm just going to go through. Now I usually do the chasing method where I'll take the brush or the comb and I'll chase the hair with it. But because this is only 350, I don't find it being like too hot. It doesn't really burn me too much. I don't really focus a lot on the back for it to be like super perfect because nobody sees that part. So I just run through it just to smooth it.
Take me to the water. I'm skipping a stone. It's waiting on me. Take it to the water.
And that is how I would straighten my hair. That is my whole straightening process and routine. It took me about an hour. So I hope you guys enjoyed my straightening routine. If you guys want to see how I style it with a side swept kind of wave, click on the next video. I'll have it linked down below. It should be up. I'll try to have both of them up. But thanks so much for taking time to watch, and I will catch you in the next tutorial.